Does the QHT technique really transform your look through a hair transplant journey? Let's find out in today's video how this fast and highly effective technique completely transformed our patient's appearance. In today's video, we'll be showing you the 8-month complete transformation results of a patient who was dealing with the challenges of vertex grade 3 baldness. So, stay tuned till the end of this video. Meet our patient who was facing the challenges of vertex grade 3 baldness. His hairline completely receded and changed into an M shape, which affected his frontal area. Along with the frontal, some parts of the mid-scalp and crown were also damaged in the vertex condition. Thankfully, he had a dense donor area that was full of healthy follicles, which played a significant role in his transformation. Stay tuned for amazing results. Ready to bring back your hairline and crown region? Drop hair transplant in the comments below, and our team will reach out to guide you on your transformation journey. Now, let's take a look at the hairline designing process and understand how our experts created a perfectly customized hairline for the patient. The first step involved a thorough scalp examination by our experts. After that, the patient's hair was trimmed and a head wash was done to ensure that there were no obstacles during hairline marking, allowing for precise and clean design execution. Keeping the patient's facial structure in mind, our team designed a hairline that was not only customized but also artistically aligned with his natural features. The hairline was crafted slightly lower from the middle and carefully measured from the glabella point by using a 4-finger rule, which ensured perfect symmetry and natural framing of the face. Along with the hairline, all affected areas were also precisely marked for implantation so that during the procedure, the team would have a clear and detailed roadmap to follow. If you also want your perfect hairline back, then comment hairline. During the procedure, our experts started implantation in the hairline zone, and they strategically implanted single and thin hair follicles by using zigzag pattern. In the frontal zone, double and triple hair follicles were implanted to enhance volume and density. For the crown area, the follicles were placed in a swirl pattern using single, double, and triple grafts at varying angles to mimic the natural growth direction and flow. In this case, a total of 3,200 grafts were implanted, all precisely extracted from the patient's safe donor area, ensuring long-lasting and natural results. Two months after the transplant, when our patient visited for his first follow-up PRP session, our experts noticed that the shedding phase was continuing on his scalp, which provided good growth soon. At the same time, his donor area completely healed. Experiencing similar signs? Connect with our hair restoration experts today. After 6 months of progress, you can clearly see a remarkable transformation. His hairline is now perfectly framed, the frontal zone has achieved beautiful density, and even the crown area has started forming a natural swirl pattern. And remember, this is just the 6-month result. The final outcome is yet to come, which we'll get to see in the upcoming months. after just 8 months. This isn't just a hair transformation, it's a complete life upgradation, the kind of outcome every patient hopes for in their transplant journey. If we compare his final look to his initial condition, the change is truly remarkable. His transformation is visible not only in his appearance, but also in his confidence, his personality, and the way he carries himself. His hairline perfectly matches his facial features. The frontal and mid-scalp areas now show dense, voluminous growth, and the crown has beautifully regained its natural swirl. This transformation has redefined his overall look, making him appear more youthful, confident, and full of life. After getting these beautiful results, now he can freely enjoy cutting, styling, and carrying his hair just the way he wants. These early results vary from patient to patient. If you want to know more about your baldness, comment hair transplant. Share your pictures with our experts. This is the journey of our patient who went from vertex grade 3 baldness to a fuller, natural looking hairline and improved frontal area. If you're looking to transform your look from bald to young and energetic, book an appointment with our expert team.
Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get update on every video.